Starts in the front, 370 amp alternator, plunk to the back through wires as big as alligators. Strong thunder lithium, soars up the power, then lightning strikes, bass drops, hour after hour. Big Tahoe, rolling on mud tires, a wall of subwoofers, and a stack of amplifiers. Bass hits hard, slinging like an earthquake. People on the street gotta stop and do a double take.
Talk shit in the ground. Fuck. Boom, 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 till your face is red. Fuck. Talk shit in the ground. Fuck. Bass so deep, it's gonna wake the dead.
Stunt wall slamming, busting up the concrete, my beats all jamming. Panic running through the streets, a girl is staring like she wants to take a long ride. Drunk thunder lithium is all the power's mile ride, mile after mile. I'm causing devastation.
All right, I got me a chunk of wood laid in here for reference to show the level of what's coming in here. Let me get my tape measure out here. So come over here and drop it. That's not sitting 100% up, it's close. But we're sitting at about, oh, we can clear 6.5 under that. Something to take into consideration. How much distance is there below? Because I'm planning on putting batteries down there. 6.5 is tight. Real tight. But one sheet of plywood will cover from back there all the way up to like right in here somewhere, and then with 6 feet, and then leave me a 2 foot to make 1 foot to make a amp board if I can get going that route, and then 1 foot to make the cover to go on the end of it down here, so it'll create a box starting there and going back, and then the amp rack all from one piece of plywood. That's cool. Now whatever I do right here, I got 3.5 inches of space with a tiny bit left over, so I could build something 3.5 inches tall total and get it in that area. And these bolts are approximately 1.5 inches, so that gives me 2 inches on top of the bolt. Just keep getting all these measurements figured out. I ain't figured out exactly how I'm doing this, but I got some ideas, so there's that. Now all these brackets for the seat mount, they can fit right underneath that, so it's not an issue. It just sits right over the top of it, doesn't touch anywhere. So that'll be golden, totally golden. So this guy is 6.5 at the top of the battery, but sideways it's smaller. It's only that big, 5.25, 5.5. So it would fit sideways. Of course, these guys here would fit sideways, but they would not fit tall ways. So gives me some ideas. I could fit this size. The thing is though, the version 2, the 10K version 2 is bigger than this though, so I need to find out about that from Brandon. So, all right, you guys can see there's no longer a Ford sitting out here. Ford is gone. It's living in Kansas, and The new owner is very happy. I am too. So there's that. Also, pretty sure I got a guy coming to pick up 2 of the 12s today. So that by itself will get me awful close to my 15s. I need to sell the other 2 and I'll have a little bit extra to start buying material with to do this. Another bit of news is I got a guy helping me with this. He's got the good software, the expensive software, and experience in designing boxes, and so he's going to help me get the details worked out on that. So things are coming along quite nicely. I've also got a deal going, of course, with Slapz, SLAPZ. Slapz Audio is going to be supplying the subs. I mean, I'm getting a discount, but I still got to buy them. So that's where the money comes in. But if you guys know, I've spent the last, I don't even know how long, couple of years really, researching a lot of budget subwoofers in the high power category. And so far, I narrowed it down to about 4 different contestants. And ultimately, the Slapz Oblivion design, the 15s, was the best bang for the buck. So if you guys are interested in picking up some budget, big subs that can handle big power and make big things happen, head over to Slapz Audio. Use my coupon code CAE to get a discount. I think you'll be happy with them. I'm going to be rocking the hell out of them. All right. We got all 412 sold. The guy's coming to get them here in the next hour or so. Good times all around.